Welcome to Watch. Here is the market analysis brought by Macro Global Markets on May 8th. Market analysis. In the early morning, the Federal Reserve decided to keep the interest rate unchanged, but after the meeting, it issued a warning about the inflation and employment rate in the United States. In the market reaction, spot gold fell slightly. At present, although the trade war shows signs of easing, the basic situation has not been fundamentally changed. Coupled with the resurgence of geopolitical conflicts, market risk aversion still supports the gold price bulls. On this trading day, the spot gold market in Asia surged back in early trading, reaching a maximum of $3,414.79 per ounce, and then fluctuated all the way down, currently trading around $3,377 per ounce. Recent market hotspots focus on the progress of trade negotiations and the recent progress of the parties to geopolitical conflicts, and the future direction of the Fed's monetary policy will also affect the market direction. Gold market. At present, the hourly chart of spot gold is in a high shock stage. Judging from the short-term 15-minute chart, the gold price is in a shock stage, with a shock range of $33.70 to $33.85, which can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in operation. If the afternoon market breaks 3,385 points, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can look at $33.95 to $34.05. If the afternoon market breaks 3,370 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the lower target can look at $33.60 to $33.50. Stop losses are all $5. Forex market. Euro to US dollar. The exchange rate of euro to US dollar is in the shock stage in hours, and the 15-minute chart is in the shock stage. The 15-minute chart oscillation range is 1.1291 to 1.1336. Operationally, you can sell at a high price and buy at a low price in this range. If the market breaks 1.1336 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.1386 to 1.1430. If the afternoon market breaks 1.1291 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.1240 to 1.1210. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Pound sterling to US dollar. The exchange rate of pound sterling to US dollar is in the shock stage on the hourly chart and in the shock stage on the 15-minute chart. It can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the range of 1.3279 to 1.3357. If the market breaks 1.3357 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 1.3390 to 1.3430. If the afternoon market breaks 1.3279 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 1.3220 to 1.3180. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. Australian dollar to US dollar. The exchange rate of Australian dollar to US dollar is in a shock stage in the hourly chart. The short-term 15-minute chart is in shock, and the shock range is 0.6420 to 0.6465. If the market breaks 0.6465 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 0.6500 to 0.6530. If the afternoon market breaks 0.6420 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be 0.6380 to 0.6320. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.0020. US dollar to Japanese yen. The exchange rate of US dollar to Japanese yen is in a volatile stage. The short period 15-minute chart is in shock. Operationally, it can be sold at a high price and bought at a low price in the interval of 143.44 to 144.10. If the market breaks 144.10 points in the afternoon, you can intervene in multiple orders, and the upper target can be seen at 144.70 to 145.20. If the afternoon market breaks 143.44 points, you can intervene in empty orders, and the target below can be seen at 142.80 to 142.20. Stop losses are all 20 points, 0.20.